2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, MP3 capability, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.